Hello, I'm going to show you how to cook perfect basmati rice. So the best way to cook lovely, nice, fluffy basmati rice is to measure out 1 part rice and 2 parts water. So for example, I'm doing here 1 cup of rice, that's 250 millilitres in each cup. So 1 cup of rice, and then I'm going to add into here 2 cups of water, so just cold water straight in. I'm going to add a pinch of salt and then put this over a high heat on the hob and then let this come to a nice rolling boil. And when I say rolling boil, I mean it needs to be really nice and bubbling fast. Now we need to put the lid over the top of the pan, reduce the heat so it's on a nice low heat, and leave the rice to cook for 10 minutes without removing the lid. That's really important not to remove the lid at this point. Once the 10 minutes is up, turn off the heat, but still leave on that lid. Do not take off the lid at this point. You want to leave the rice to continue cooking on its own without any heat underneath it for a further 5 minutes. And then finally, you can remove the lid, let that lovely steam escape from the top of the pan, and then run a fork through, and you'll see you've got lovely, light, fluffy rice. And that's how you make perfectly cooked basmati rice.